my beautiful friends. I'm Ankita Goyal from HealthAndYoga.com. I bring to you a new product, our very latest, the wooden face roller massager. So let me begin by explaining the product to you. As you can see, this has this lovely handle, making it very easy to use and hold. It gives a very firm grip so it doesn't slip when you use it on the face. It doesn't hurt or scratch your face. And these rollers, these wooden rollers which you see, are very smooth, well polished and hand carved to give you that wonderful lift as you massage the face. It's a very eco-friendly, ergonomic, easy to use and very easy to store and carry product. Use this roller in your nighttime routine after cleansing, moisturizing, and applying your serum. You can use it to just infuse the serum into your skin, to push the product inside your skin. So what you have to do is just very slowly, just push up the skin here around your cheekbones. Just lifts up the skin. Prevents sagging and aging. And also the next thing you can do is, especially your jawline, because we see a lot of people having issues with their double chins and they're not happy or they're busy massaging it, so it gets sometimes very tiring. So all you have to do is just very slight movements with this. As you can see, just roll it up the jaw and you can see it being pulled up there. You see? It's being pulled up. So this is the exact purpose of this, just to tone up the skin. Then if somebody has these frown lines, you should be proud of them, but nevertheless, if you don't want to have them, you can just rub it between your eyebrows, up to your temples. You can take it up to your hairline. Not only for the skin, it's that little me time which you want. And if you do this like for maybe 2 minutes, 5 minutes, depending upon what you feel like, it really relaxes you, eases you, and makes you feel you've done something for yourself without just visiting the parlors, because it's not easy for all of us to go for a facial massage regularly because of our busy routines. But just 2-3 minutes or till 5 minutes routine before you go to bed just makes you feel happy, relaxed, and probably will give you a better, calm sleep. It does take some time in getting used to it, maybe a couple of days or maybe a couple of minutes, depends on how you get the hang of it. And it becomes quite a habit actually. So this roller, besides the face, can be used on any body part, your arms, your back of your neck, for instant relief. Use it for yourself, use it on your kids, use it on your loved ones for that quick relaxation. Thank you for watching.